Happy days. Hi guys. Today has been an adventure because I had my daughter pick me up and we were headed to her shotgun shoot, and her vehicle is not a brand new vehicle, it's an older vehicle, and it wouldn't start. We stopped to pick up some stuff and it wouldn't start. We happened to be at the mechanics, and it was really funny because if you're going to break down, that's where you should break down. Needless to say, it took a couple things and then the truck started right up. But there is something that you should know, and that is how to work on your truck. Simple little maintenance. We have run into issues where we've had to change tires. Do you know how to change a tire? It's also helpful to know how to check your oil. It's helpful to know how to check a battery and know if you have a dead battery. All these things are really important, and that's my tip of the day. Why don't you figure out how to find some of those things on your vehicle?